So hey, what's up guys, Dave here, and as we all know, yesterday Apple launched its new software releases, which are the iOS, watchOS, tvOS, and also the new iPadOS. So today we're gonna look at the all new iOS 13. Let's get right into it. So alright, let's get started with the hands-on. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 changes or features in iOS 13 which I like. Finally, we've been asking for it since eternity, and finally Apple gave it to us, and it is brilliantly executed over here. There is also an automatic mode where it changes from light to dark depending on the time of your location, just like the feature implemented in macOS Mojave last year. When dark mode is toggled on, it even changes the appearance of the 4 new wallpapers, which looks really awesome. The Photos app in iOS 13 has been completely revamped and it's better than ever. There is a new tab, Photos, where you can see all your photos at once and they are separated into 4 tabs: years, months, days, and all photos. And it organizes all your photos using machine learning to choose the best shots for viewing. Also, the share sheet has a whole new look, which looks much more skeuomorphic than the old iOS 12 share sheet. And you have a new editing panel for your photos, and also now you can edit videos in the Photos app itself. You can change the exposure, contrast, saturation in a video and also crop the video right itself in the native app. There is also a new portrait mode known as the high key mono, where it adds a beautiful monochromatic effect to your portrait mode photos, but it is still not available in iOS 13 Developer Beta 1. There is also a new portrait lighting control where you can control the intensity of the light in portrait lighting to create a unique look, which is still not available in Beta 1. It's been so long since we've been seeing this obtrusive volume HUD, which is right in the center and it blocks whatever you're doing, but finally Apple listened to us and implemented a new volume HUD. There is also a new ringer mute animation and ringer volume animation too, and it looks so neat. I use Google's Gboard on a daily basis because of their swipe typing, and Apple has brought that to their native keyboard and they're calling it the quick path. iOS 13 is even faster than iOS 12 already in developer beta 1. There are still a few bugs and some occasional app crashes, but overall it's pretty stable. Apple says that iOS 13 is 30% faster than iOS 12, and I do believe them after using it for a day. Face ID is so much faster on iOS 13 than iOS 12. It's 30% faster than iOS 12 and it's so fast. Well, that's it for this hands-on, and I think Apple have done a good job, but they could have done it better by completely revamping the home screen, but I'm not mad at them. I'll think we'll have to wait till 2020 for iOS 14. Until then, peace out.